Okay, it's gonna be a quick video of something I ordered off of Amazon. This thing was not cheap. Not cheap at all. Now I gotta send it all the way back to China to get a refund. It was $70 some. This is, it comes all pack, that, the other little piece. It's supposed to be a DJI 3 professional or whatever you want to call it drone kit. It's a new body because first time out I crashed mine. I bought one used at the pawn shop. It was my fault. I love it to death, but now I got to get it fixed. I fix a lot of stuff my own. I got to find someone that's qualified to fix it if I'm not fixing it myself. The camera, I got the camera off right now. The top is really close, but if you see on the DJI, it's got 2 right here. 1, 2. 1. This one's actually sunken in. That one's not. That one's sunken in. And that one's not. Alright, but anyway, that ain't the problem. I would have used it if it was actually what it was made for, but it's not. I'll take this off. This is where the GPS module, I guess, is, which that fit on there. All the top is almost identical, other than the 2. Here lies the problem. Let me put that back on there so nothing happens when I turn it upside down. Here's where they lie. This is actual lie. It's false advertisement. You see on the DJI drone 3, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's got 4 of these. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'd be fine. I'd be alright fit. The piece does line up. I'd be fine with that. Piece does line up, like I said. I believe it goes this way. No, I'm wrong. It goes this way. Does line up. Right here's where lies the problem. It's supposed to have 4 of these and none of these. And where's the fan motor, that the housing? Let me just show you. Without tearing it all completely apart. And yes, by the way, wrestling's doing. But I just want to show you. Under here, there's little fans and little circuit board. And that, you need that. Watching YouTube. Here lies the problem, guys. The one they're showing on the actual website, I don't know how good you're going to see that. Right there, you're seeing it. For the 2 ribs. Alright, that's fine. Now on this one, two ribs. Here's another example. 4 to there. That's same right here is where they're getting you. Let me blow it up here. There's the 4 that I need. There's a little thing like the fan or whatever is supposed to be on it. Right there's the other 4 holes. They're totally missing. It's not even a case for, and it says 2-piece frame for Phantom 3 Professional Advanced or whatever. And but there it is, professional. That is not it. Now I got to send it all the way back to wherever, way overseas, to even get a refund. When they're not even giving you the right product. It's not what's shown on their. So, I would recommend, this is just my opinion, we're in the United States. Do not buy, let me see, the company. The manufacturer is right here. I wouldn't buy off them. You might get the right one, you might not. So, I'm going to just take it, find somewhere, and see if I can get it fixed. So, alright. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Bye till later.